Starting with exercise 7.5, question number 6 that we were discussing in the class 1 minus x square x 1 minus 2x dx. See, the degree of numerator is 2, and if we are solving these two factors, it will become x minus 2x square. The highest degree of denominator is also 2. And whenever the degree of numerator is equal to denominator or the degree of numerator is greater than denominator, then we have to perform division. That means अगर हमारा न्यूमरेटर का डिग्री डिनोमिनेटर से या तो ज़्यादा है या उसके इक्वल है, एट दैट टाइम हम क्या करेंगे, नॉर्मल डिविजन करेंगे. इन नॉर्मल डिविजन दैट मीन्स denominator the divisor dividend, or you can write it as negative x square plus 1. So it will become half, multiplying with half it will become x square plus 1 by 2x. Subtracting the terms it will become half x plus 1. That means now quotient is this quotient part plus the remainder, sorry, the remainder will be this is part is negative 1 upon the divisor. Now the question, पहले हमें क्वेश्चन ये दिया था ऊपर this one, but now question has become this part 1 upon 2 dx plus negative x plus 2 taking LCM of numerator. It is half dx plus 1 by 2 x minus 2 upon x minus 2. In numerator we have x minus 2, in denominator we have 1 minus 2x. This is 1 minus 2x of dx. Now half dx plus half 2 minus x 1 minus 2x dx. The integration of the first part is simple. We know that it will become half as it is. Integration of 1 is x plus this half. But for this part we will apply partial fraction. So write it as I1. हम इसे सॉल्व करेंगे बट ये थोड़ा लेंथी नहीं लगे यहाँ पे, तो हम इसे अलग से सॉल्व कर लेंगे. ओनली दैट पार्ट. So 2 minus x upon 1 minus 2x, it will become a upon x plus b upon 1 minus 2x. Taking LCM, b x upon x into 1 minus 2x. Denominator is same, so it will get cancelled out. In numerator we will have plus bx. Comparing the terms of x and constant terms. X, the coefficient on left hand side is negative 1, the coefficient of this one. On right hand side, x have negative 2a plus b. This is our first equation. Comparing constant part now, left hand side we have 2, right hand side we have a. So putting this a is equals to 2, we will get b is equals to 3. A is 2, b is 3, putting in this one. 2 upon x plus 3 upon 1 minus 2x. दैट मीन्स जहाँ पे हमें इसका इंटीग्रेशन करना था, अब हमें इसके लिए इंटीग्रेशन करना है. I1 ये था हमारे पास, अब I1 क्या हो जाएगा, दिस वन, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दिस होल वन. सिंपली इंटीग्रेटिंग दैट पार्ट, 2 upon x plus 3 upon 1 minus 2x dx. Splitting the terms, 2x dx plus 3 1 minus 2x dx. Okay, I shouldn't write directly. 1 upon x dx plus 3 1 minus 2x dx. 2 log of x plus 3. It is because linear है. Linear means x का पावर जब 1 है तब हम सिर्फ ऐसा डायरेक्टली लिखेंगे. बिकॉज मैं आपको 7.1 में ये पुट करके बता चुकी हूँ. टी अगर 1, इसको अगर हम टी रखेंगे ऊपर उसी का डिनोमिनेट वो आ जाएगा डेरिवेटिव. इट विल बिकम द सेम divided in by the coefficient of x plus c. This is I1. Now the whole answer will become this part plus this one, half x, half of x plus this one. This is our total answer. And if you still have doubt that how we can write its integration, so just put 1 minus 2x is equals to t. Differentiating it will become negative 2 dx is equals to dt. Dx is equals to dt upon negative 2. Putting these values in the integration, it will become dt 1 upon 2 with negative sign upon t log of t, and t value is log 1 minus 2x. Please check, is it the same which we have written over here? Okay, now next question. It is question number 7. X upon x square plus 1 x minus 1 dx. See, firstly, the power of numerator is 1, power of denominator will be 3 after multiplying. So there is no need to perform the division. अगर पावर न्यूमरेटर का ज़्यादा हो या इक्वल हो सिर्फ तभी डिवाइड करना है. पर यहाँ पे नहीं है तो हम नहीं डिवाइड करेंगे, हम नॉर्मल इसको स्टार्ट करेंगे. नाउ वी विल अप्लाई पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन. अगेन विदाउट इंटीग्रेशन इस पार्ट को लिखेंगे इज इक्वल्स टू a अपॉन x square plus 1 plus c upon x minus 1. Now you will ask me that where is that b? Because a, then b. See, if there is quadratic term, then in numerator we will write linear one. If there is linear, then we will write x raised to power 0 in times. समझने के लिए आप कर सकते हो x का पावर 1 है तो ऊपर कितना आएगा उसका पावर 0. यहाँ पे x का पावर 2 है तो ऊपर कितना आएगा उसका पावर 1. This is a partial fraction formula. So now question will be writing it in a clear manner. A plus bx upon x square plus 1 plus c upon x minus 1. Then we will taking the LCM. This is the LCM. Left hand denominator, right hand denominator is same. It will get cancelled out. Now we will find the value of a, b and c by comparing the coefficients. Firstly, opening the bracket of the right hand side. Ax plus bx square minus a minus bx plus cx square plus c. On left hand side we have only x. Comparing coefficient of x square. On left hand side there is no term of x square, so it is 0. On right hand side it is b plus c. Comparing coefficient of x. On left hand side it is 1x. x के सामने जो भी लिखा है that is coefficient of x. The constant term which is written in front of x. On right hand side we have a minus b. Comparing coefficient of constant term. On left hand side there is no constant term, so it is 0. On right hand side the term without x, negative a plus c. So A is equals to C. From here we can write it as B is equals to negative C. So A will be negative B. Putting that value 1 is equals to negative B, negative this, minus 2B. So B is equals to minus half. B is equals to negative half. So A will be half and C will also be half. Just put the value in this one and integrate it. Question was given x square plus 1, x minus 1. Now it is putting this value in this one. Let me just highlight it with a different color, this one. Putting value of A, B and C. A is half, B is negative half x upon x square plus 1, C is half x minus 1. So integration of this part with dx. This is only value for this one. हमने इस क्वेश्चन को नए फॉर्मेट में चेंज किया सो दैट हमें आंसर बता रहे. Okay, now splitting the terms, the denominator 1, we can rewrite it as half upon x square plus 1 dx minus half x upon x square plus 1 plus half x minus 1 dx. 1 by 2 is constant. Put it outside the integration. Okay, now for this one we know that formula, integration of 1 upon x square plus a square dx, that is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. 1 by 2 is constant, it will become tan inverse 1 upon 1 because a is 1, x upon 1 plus c. See, there will be 3c. अगर हम ऐसे प्लस करेंगे 3 कांस्टेंट आएंगे. 3c मतलब c1, c2, c3. But adding 3 constant, we are again getting one constant term. अगर आप 3 constant term को add करोगे, resultant will be a new constant term only. That means next it will be, okay, rewriting this one firstly. Half of log of x minus 1. Now check. In denominator we have x square, in numerator we have x. X square's derivative is 2x, that means x is there. For this part, put x square plus 1 is equals to t. Differentiating it will become 2x dx is equals to dt. We need only x dx, so shifting that 2 to the right hand side. Now the question will become half dt upon 2 upon t. Overall it will become minus 1 by 4 dt upon t. It is log of t. Just put the value of t and there is your answer. In next question we have x upon x minus 1 whole square x plus 2 dx. So its partial fraction will be a upon x minus 1 b x minus 1 whole square plus c x plus 2. That means firstly हम इसका पावर 1 लिखेंगे, then इसी का पावर 2 लिखेंगे, then हम नेक्स्ट फैक्टर को लिखेंगे. अगर ये स्क्वायर का टर्म है, इफ दिस इज अ स्क्वायर टर्म, दिस वन, देन पहले इसका पावर 1 आएगा, देन इसी का पावर 2 आएगा. Then the rest question is same as we were discussing. So solve it by yourself. And if you have any doubt, then please let me know in the class. Now question number 10. 2x minus 3. See, because now question are coming out to be the same. The main part is this part. अगर आपसे ये हो जाएगा दैट मीन्स पीछे वाले जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन पूरे अभी सॉल्व किए ये सेम बन रहे हैं, बस आपको एबीसी का वैल्यू निकालना है, पुट करना है. बट स्टिल अगर आपको उसमें डाउट आ रहा है तो आप मुझे प्लीज़ क्लास में बताएं, हम उसको बोर्ड पे सॉल्व करेंगे. इट्स पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन विल बी a अपॉन. Okay, firstly, can you rewrite it as x minus 1 x plus 1? Because x square minus 1 square. So it will become x minus 1 plus b upon the second factor and c upon the third factor. This is the question now. And I am hoping that now you can calculate the partial fraction term for this question as well. It will be a upon the first factor. Now, see, we are given with x square minus 4. We can rewrite it as x square minus 2 square. It is x minus 2, x plus 2. We are applying formula, and formula is x square minus a square or a square minus b square. It will be b upon the second factor, c upon the third one. सी द क्वेश्चन, पहले क्वेश्चन कितना हमें डिफिकल्ट दिया था. दो फैक्टर थे, एक क्वाड्रेटिक था, वन वाज लीनियर एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन में था. अब हमने तीनों को अलग कर दिया है, जस्ट एबीसी का वैल्यू निकालना है बाय कंपेयरिंग द कोफिशिएंट जो अब तक हम कर रहे हैं हर क्वेश्चन में. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर, लेट मी चेक. Yes, question number 15. It is simply x square, x raised to power 4 minus 1. X raised to power 4 minus 1 can be rewrite as x square square minus 1 square. A square minus b square. It will become a square minus b, sorry, a minus b, a plus b. Again, x square minus 1 square. It will be x minus 1, x plus 1 into x square plus 1. दैट मीन्स क्वेश्चन में हमें एक फैक्टर दिया था बट हमने उससे कितना बना लिया है, थ्री फैक्टर्स आर देयर नाउ. सो द पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन विल बी a upon x minus 1, b upon x plus 1. बट सी दिस पार्ट इज क्वाड्रेटिक, ये क्वाड्रेटिक है. अगर नीचे क्वाड्रेटिक फैक्टर है तो ऊपर कितना आएगा, पावर 1 वाला फैक्टर, सी एक्स प्लस डी. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज सिंपल एज दैट, जो हम पहले क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट से लेके क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 7 तक कर चुके हैं सेम. Then you will multiply these. Okay, now some student will get confused that after taking LCM, it is a x plus 1, x square plus 1, b x minus 1, and x square plus 1, cx plus d, x minus 1, x plus 1. They will say that this is a different part, this is a different one. No, एक्स रेज टू पावर 4 माइनस 1 को ही तो ओपन करके हमने ये तीन फैक्टर लिखा है, दैट मीन्स दीज आर इक्वल टू दिस वन. इट विल गेट कैंसल आउट. आप मल्टीप्लाई करके देख सकते हो if you're getting any doubt in that. Just compare the coefficient of x cube, x square, x and constant term. Then you will get the value of a, b, c and d. Now there is one more question and that is a good question. Different one. Question number 17. This is the only question of trigonometric function in partial fraction exercise. See, the derivative of sin x is cos x. Sin x is in denominator, cos x is in numerator. नीचे वाले का डेरिवेटिव ऊपर है. The derivative of the denominator is in numerator. So we will simply putting sin x is equals to t. Differentiating, it will become cos x dx is equals to dt. Cos x dx is now dt. So we can rewrite as dt upon 1 minus t, 2 minus t. Now please check, is it a simple question of partial fraction? Question number like first, second. The main part was this one. Sin x is equals to t. Now question number 18. We are given with x square plus 1, x square plus 2 upon x square plus 3, x square plus 4. The degree of numerator is 4. If we multiply x square with x square, it will become x raised to power 4. The degree of denominator is also 4. Okay, firstly rewrite it as 3x square plus 2. Just opening the bracket of numerator and denominator. The degree of numerator is same as the degree of denominator, and in this case we will perform the division. Multiplying with 1, it will become minus 4x square minus 10. Now the quotient will be the quotient part 1 plus the remainder upon the divisor. This is from class 10th, if you remember that. That means the quotient is now this one, integration of this part. Now we will simply separate the terms or split the terms. Integration of 1 plus 4x square minus 10 upon x raised to power 4 plus 7x square plus 12. This integration. Integration of 1 is x. It is done. But now we are left with this second part. Can we rewrite as negative 4x square plus 10, taking the negative common outside? And denominator. Okay. Whose value was this? This was the value for x square plus 3, x square plus 4. Again rewriting it in that format. Dx. Now check. The power of numerator is 2. The degree, sorry. The degree of numerator is 2 and the degree of denominator is 4. Now it is suitable for partial fraction because the degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator. So we can rewrite it as a upon x square plus 3. Sorry, it is quadratic, so it will become ax plus b and cx plus d upon x square plus 4. Now you have to simply take LCM, cancel the term, calculate the value of a, b, c, d. It will be there. Okay, now there is a different question, question number 20, and it is based on question number 16. If you are done with question number 20, then question number 16 is the same. Question number 20 is 1 upon x, x raised to power 4 minus 1 dx. It is power 4. It will be a difficult question if I'm talking about partial fraction applying, because if in denominator we have this, so in numerator we have to write cube form, b square x d. It will become a tedious job to calculate these values. So here we will just simply check what is the derivative of x raised to power 4. Derivative of x raised to power 4. Differentiating it will become 4x cube. That means x cube should be present in numerator. Then the question will be easy. It will become easy if there is x cube in the numerator. So just simply multiplying and divided by x cube. It is x raised to power 4, x raised to power 4 minus 1 dx. Now putting x raised to power 4 is equals to t, differentiating, it will become 4x cube dx is equals to dt. And in numerator we don't have 4 with this term, so shifting it to the right hand side, it will become x cube dx is equals to dt upon 4. Putting these values, the question will become dt upon 4 t minus 1 dt 1 upon 4 out of the integration because it is a constant term. Now please check, is it a simple question of partial fraction? Can we solve it by 1 upon 4 is constant, उसको अभी के लिए हम skip कर रहे हैं. We are calculating just the integration part. A upon the first factor, B upon the second factor. Just calculate the value of A and B, put it here, and it will be your answer. Ending with one question, that is our last question. Question number 21. That is integration of 1 upon e raised to power x minus 1 dx. See, what is the derivative of e raised to power x? It is again e raised to power x. Okay. Then please check, putting e raised to power x is equals to t, differentiating, it will become e raised to power x as it is, dx is equals to dt. But in numerator we have only dx, there is no e raised to power x. So shifting it to the right hand side. And e raised to power x is equals to t, putting that value. Please check it again. Now the question will become value of dx is dt upon t, putting that value. And denominator is now t minus 1. So overall our question is 1 upon t minus 1. Just apply the partial fraction, that is a upon t plus b upon t minus 1, and answer will be there. With this question our exercise 7.5 is completed. Please try the other questions. If there is any doubt then let me know in the class.